What would actually happen if you fell into a black hole? Not in theory, but step by step. Welcome to NeuroSpark Vault, the place for fun and fascinating learning. Let's find out. Imagine you are floating in space, getting closer to a black hole. At first, nothing seems unusual. But then, things start to change. The gravity becomes incredibly strong. So strong that it pulls on your body unevenly. This effect is called spaghettification. Your body would slowly stretch, as gravity pulls harder on your feet than your head. But here's where it gets even stranger. Time itself begins to slow down. From your perspective, everything feels normal. But for someone watching you from far away, you appear to slow down, almost freezing in time. You would never actually be seen crossing the event horizon. You would just fade, slower and slower, until you disappear. And inside? That's where things become unknown. Physics as we understand it breaks down completely. Some theories suggest you would be crushed into a single point. Others say, you might pass through into another region of space. Or even another universe. We simply don't know. Black holes are one of the greatest mysteries in the universe. They challenge everything we think we understand about reality. So here's the question, would you dare to get close to one? Or is this a mystery better left untouched? Subscribe to NeuroSpark Vault for more fascinating explorations of the universe.